So welcome back, and we have this vibe form that we did in the last video, and we're going to continue that. So now we're going to learn or like work along with how to plan the project. So plan a project that stores the form and has features similarly for submitted forms. So we have this plan, Claude's plan for us. So let me just walk through what happened. I entered the plan mode. I told that yeah, current explore the current code base. I told that yeah, you can go ahead and give this requirements. What kind of form do you want to build? I want a fixed contact survey form, and I wanted to store it in a Node Express JSON file. I don't want to like go with the database to Postgres right now, or use the local storage, which could be an option as well for you if you can do so. What features you want? List, table view. So I selected all of them. I selected list and search and filter, delete, submission, and export to CSV in the end. So we have you good until now, and this is giving me a plan right now that yeah, form submission project plan, the current app. Uh, so all the things I explained is give me a project structure as well. So if I agree with it, and styles, add proxy for CRS server, add a combined dev script. Yeah. So, and this is a verification at the end. So yeah, we're pretty much done here, and we said that yes, and use auto mode for it. Or else we can just approve edits manually, which I don't want to do since I want to keep it. Let Claude do the thing now. No refine with ultra plan. Yeah, not going with it right now. Yeah. Yeah, we're done now. So we'll just verify it in the folder structure. So we have a server now. Uh, Brilliant. And we have this src file, src folder, and pages. We have admin page and form page. So we're good now. Let's just check it on 3000, and the express API with the format post to express, and the admin lets you search, delete, and export. Great. And now we're just going to submit from yeah. So abc at the rate mail.com, subject test, hello world. Okay, and now we're just going to check it using inspect if it's hitting the API and network. Great, let's go. Yeah, submissions. So something went wrong, not sure what it was. It was the payload was given this API submissions. Maybe it was because the format. So I'll just tell it that it is giving 500, or maybe not 500 exactly. Yeah, payload preview response general 40 is giving 4 on hitting submit button of the form. And yes, now the message is sent, and yeah, it's 300. And now let's just check it on our end. If this is server, this is pages, and here now we have to check where exactly is our data stored. And data stored, if we go to server, is go to submissions, and yes, this is our data proxy test, and this is my name and subject and message. So yeah, this is how we're going to execute it. And coming back, we're going to check what is the context? So we're going to get the data about the current session. So we're using Claude 4.6 and 50 of the 200k tokens, which is pretty large. And if it goes above the limit, then it's going to hallucinate. So we have to make sure that it doesn't, and I'm going to tell you how. So system prompts taking 6.3 token, system tools 11 tokens, 11k tokens, memory files, some of them scales, and there's some free space as well. So for this, what I'm going to do now, sorry, I'm going to use the compact command. So it frees up context by summarizing the conversation so far. So whatever has been done, and there's a context window. So how does the context window works? It has the conversation that we are doing, it has the files, the number of files that are in the file structure of the project, and the Claude MD file. So these three stack up to become the context window. And firstly to clear up this, if we are using this compact command, so it's just summarizing the conversation, the files are in place, and it's telling Claude MD this Claude MD is like a current single file, so it doesn't it has all the general rules present over it. Just not keeping it aside, it just does the thing with the conversation. It frees up and summarizes it in the end. Which in written what it does is that it frees up some context, the actual context that usage we've seen here. So probably if we check it now, it come down from 25 to, let's see how much. So it's at 15%. And again, we use context. If we use clear, then all the things that are in this very session, they're going to be wiped off. Now what? It's only 8% we used it. Came from 25 to 15 when we used compact, and now to 8. Now that a lot of part of the conversation was wiped out. So this is how it works, and it's pretty much it. I've told you how context window is and what it consists of, and this is how you can also manage Claude cost and reduce the size of usage. So if you want to reduce the size of usage, you can use the context command. And similarly, this was pretty much it. And cost command is used if you're using the API. Else this is good to go for you.